If you're looking to turn off the repost feature on TikTok in 2024, you're in the right place. In today's video, I'll show you how to manage your repost settings so you have more control over how your content is shared. Let's get into it. Reposting on TikTok can be a great way to share content, but sometimes you might want to disable this feature for your account. Here's how you can turn off repost on TikTok. Start by opening the TikTok app on your smartphone. Now tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen to go to your profile page. Now tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner to open the settings menu. Tap on settings and privacy, then go to privacy to access your privacy settings. Scroll through the privacy settings to find option related to reposting or content sharing. Look for a setting like allow reposting or repost settings. Toggle the switch to disable reposting for your account. If there is an option to save or confirm changes, make sure to do so to apply your new repost settings. The repost option may not be here sometimes because of the reason availability. So to ensure your settings have been updated, go back to your profile and check the repost option or test by attempting to repost one of your videos. And that's it. You've successfully turned off the repost feature on TikTok. With this setting, you have more control over how your content is shared.